This is problem number 23 from the 3-3 homework. This problem, these four problems, are a very, very typical AP problem, and because it gets at not only can you do a derivative, but can you understand symbolically what derivatives represent, and even if you don't have a function that you know that you're taking the derivative of, can you still understand the symbolism behind these particular relations? Let's take problem number A, or problem A, for example. The derivative with respect to x of uv, where u is a function, is understood to be a function of x, and v is understood to be a function of x. Now, in this situation, we understand this to be u and v being multiplied. So what we really have is the product rule. First times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Okay, so we might ask, well, what is the derivative of v? And the answer is, it's v prime. We might ask, what is the derivative of u? And the answer is, it's u prime. So what is this derivative? When x is equal to 0, well, it's u, the function u, at the value 0, times the v prime function, remember derivatives are functions, at 0, plus v at 0 times u prime at 0. And then we go ahead and we say, well, what is u? U is 5. Sorry, u at 0 is 5. V at 0 is 2. V at 0 is -1. And u prime at 0 is -3. Putting it all together, we get 10 minus 3, or 7. Oops, 10 plus 3 is 13. That's better. So that's how that problem gets done. Let's take a look at the B problem. It's the derivative with respect to x of u over v. Again, that's the quotient rule, so that is going to be the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. The value of this derivative at x equals 0 is going to be v at 0 times u prime at 0 minus u at 0 times v prime at 0 all over v at 0 quantity squared. V at 0 is -1, u prime at 0 is -3, minus u at 0 is 5, times v prime at 0 is 2, and all of that is over v at 0, which is -1 squared, giving us 3 minus 10 over 1, or -7. And that matches the answer. In the C version of this, the derivative with respect to x of v over u is going to be bottom over the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the bottom over bottom squared. And now we have u times v prime minus v times u prime all over u squared, which ends up being -5. We got two negatives there, so those cancel, but we still end up with a -3 over 25, or -8/25. Oops. Sorry, that's it. Over here, that's a 2. That's a 2. -7. Alright. and then d, which is actually the easiest amongst the one, derivative with respect to x of 7v minus 2u is equal to 7v prime minus 2u prime, which is 7, and see v prime is 2 minus 2, and then u prime is negative 3, so we get 14 plus 6, or 20, and that matches the answer there.